Time for a refreshing holiday cocktail. Noble Pursuit. First, a palm sugar syrup. In a pot goes raw sugar, or better yet, coconut sugar. Add some water, bring to a boil, stir, and take off the heat. Then, if you want, you can add a little bit of rum. You can leave it out, but it does make your syrup last almost forever in the fridge. Place it in a jar, let it cool to room temp, and then put it in the fridge until you need it. It's going to sweeten our drink, but you can also use it to sweeten pretty much anything. This cocktail is based on tea. I'm using a hibiscus black tea blend, but you can use whatever tea you like so long as it's fruity and a little bit of tart. You'll need 3 tablespoons of it. Brew it in boiling water however you normally brew your tea. Then strain out the leaves and set it aside to cool. You're going to need some watermelon juice, which can be easily procured. You can use store-bought too though, I've seen that in stores occasionally. Make sure to strain out the pulp though. Lastly, some grapefruit juice. You can squeeze it fresh too, but I just go for store-bought. You'll also need a little bit of lemon juice. In it goes. Alright, put some milk in the bottom of a pitcher and slowly pour in your juice. Oh no, we ruined it! Just kidding, it's supposed to do this. Let this whole mess sit for a few hours until it separates. Look at that, nice clear elixir standing on top of really nasty cheese. That's okay, we're going to strain it out through a coffee filter. I'm using my usual coffee filter basket with a paper liner. And it'll take a few hours, so give it time. Once your juice is strained, you can add it to a pitcher and sweeten it to taste with your palm sugar syrup. Oh, and one last addition, a pinch of salt. Don't forget, it really does make a difference here, and it takes the edge off those bitter notes. To serve your Noble Pursuit, fill a glass with ice. Pour on your drink. And if you want, top it off with a little bit of seltzer. Garnish with a melon slice. And because it's the holiday, some dried cranberries. It's refreshing and kind of magic thanks to that cool milk trick. Noble Pursuit is yummy! If you like that, check out more Zelda recipes here. Also, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. There are more Zelda videos coming. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!